Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, and I'm Reed and this is Reed's Beauty Trip. So this is my Sephora plate. It literally just came in the mail today, so I am filming it ASAP. That's why if you look, I kind of have I call it the chimney sweep look today for Christmas. We're doing Sephora plate and we're going to do the unboxing for it, for this is December. But like I said, I literally got home from work, was sitting there in my mailbox, so I'm like, hey, let's get it done, even though I've got a week left of December and I'm just now getting my Sephora play. So it's a little behind. That I've noticed that lately mine has, is one of the last ones that show up and stuff. So we're going to open it up, and I think this one is about the year's best. And the play award goes to, so they're basically saying like their best of Sephora play. I think some of the best items for Sephora play. Got the purple block bag, which this one I like I said, I save these for my like mascara wands and all that when I take them to the high school or things like that, so it's really handy. So let's see what they sent me. The first thing is the Amika 3D Volume and Thickening Shampoo. I'm getting older, my hair is getting thinner, so we'll give this a whirl. So it is the conditioner and the shampoo. It's not one of my favorite samples. Amika's not like one of my, oh my gosh. The next one I have is Smashbox Super Fan Fanned Out Mascara. I'm not a fan. So I'm kind of concerned that their awards are not what I would award. So Smashbox Super Fan, which I know if you're an award super fan, okay, that makes sense. Wonder Beauty. When don't we get Wonder Beauty? Well, in Sephora I usually don't get Wonder Beauty. Lip Retreat Oil. That it's called Skinny Dip. That one I'm kind of interested in. Next little tube. The Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. This is okay. It didn't rock my world, and I know a lot of people are like, ooh, Dr. Brandt, da da da. It doesn't work as some of my other ones work way better than this. So, let's see. Next. And I already have this one. The Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. It's not bad. Fresh is okay. I don't think it does much for the price that it is full size. I mean, I don't think it's any better than, honestly, any better than Physicians Formula Rosé all day. And that's a fraction of the price. I'm sure it shows you what the price is. I was like, what is the Physicians Formula is like, what, between 14 15 bucks. Fresh Rosé. Doesn't give a price for that. So, but like I said, it's not one that really, I feel it doesn't do any more than Physicians Formula Rosé all day. And they have that new line coming out. I like their Rosé serum, their new moisturizer and all that. This is not any more special. There's other hydrating ones that are not, anti-aging that I would prefer. Then I have the Quay Body Cream. Usually when I get Quay, it's like, I don't think I usually get body cream. So that I am interested in. A body cream and stuff. We'll see how that works. It's dry season. This should work really good. It's got a little bit of fragrance. It says it's a whipped. Wrong thing. Whipped. Talk about the cream de la creme. This whipped body moisture quickly absorbs without leaving a greasy residue and delivers soft, hydrated skin. So it's got that Kapuka butter, hydrates, soften, coconut oil, moisturizes and nurtures, squalane, natural antioxidant. That's interesting. I am actually interested in that one. So out of our award-worthy beauty, the Wander Lip Retreat Oil, yes. The Quay, yes. So I got two out of those, the 6 items they sent me, I am interested in. So I'll definitely I'll definitely try. Some of these other things I'll probably put to the side. Like I said, the Needles No More Baggage by Dr. Brandt. Didn't rock my world. The Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream, I don't think it's any more special than, like I said, I would rather buy the Physicians Formula Rosé all day than that for the fraction of the cost. Sometimes Fresh, I know a lot of people like Fresh. It doesn't rock. It doesn't do it for me. I'll be honest. There's other ones out there that I like way better and do the job just as good, if not better. So interesting. When these might go into some giveaways, gotta go to their friend. The Mika shampoo things, it's a quick sample to use up. That's not a big deal. The mascara I might put to the side for a friend. But like I said, that's only 2 things I'm really interested in trying out. That one, that really, and that's probably the first time like my Sephora's really kind of let me down. But this is not anything. I'm not a big Smashbox person. I'm not a big Fresh person. And I'm not a big Dr. Brandt person, so I guess that's for some people. They're going to be like, oh my gosh. But no. No. But yeah, so they like had, what was it? Lifetime Achievement Award Black Mascara. And you can never have too many black. Seeing that one, August, your beauty sidekicks. So, we'll see. So, I hope everybody has a wonderful day. I hope everybody else enjoyed their Sephora Playbox. I think I only got like, what was it? 1 repeat, which was the Fresh Rose face cream. But everything else is new. I got a larger one of the Needles No More Baggage. I think I have a full size of this. But I still haven't used up because it just didn't say, ooh la la. I like the Kiehl's better, and the Kiehl's isn't my favorite. So, I hope everyone has a wonderful day. I will talk to you soon. Please comment below, thumbs up, and like I said, I hope everyone else enjoyed their box, and I hope to see everyone with their videos and catch up. Bye.